Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add next event calendar widget to your lock screen. So it's pretty simple. Now first you need to go to your lock screen. For that you need to swipe down from the top left part of your screen. Once you swipe down like this, what you can do is hold on your lock screen. Once you hold on your lock screen, you will see the button called Customize. Click on Customize. From Customize, you want to choose Lock Screen. Now once you're in Lock Screen, you can see all the square boxes on your lock screen. You want to click on the bottom one. Once you click on the bottom one, you will see Add Widget. Now from Add Widget, you can see the option called Calendar. Click in Calendar. Once you click in Calendar, as you guys can see, it says Next Event. So over here from the bottom, you can choose whichever one you like. So I'm going to choose both of it. So what I'm going to do is drag it and drop it at the top. Now I'm going to drag another one and drop it at the top like this. And I can even switch places of both of them if I want to. But that is basically how we guys can do it. Once it's added, click on the cross. Click on the cross again. Click on then at the top right. And now just go back over here. Now it's going to show you your next event calendar widget on your lock screen. So I hope you understand how we guys can do it. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.